Here is the wall of shoes. This wall has to go, friends. I simply am never going to wear these shoes. I am only going to keep one rack. Hello, friends. Welcome back to Natural. Day one of tackling the wall of shoes. It's a big endeavor. It's huge, actually, because there's over 500 pairs of shoes. I am not going to wear any of these shoes. I need to get rid of it. The dresses are on this side. I'll add some footage to show that as I've started the process of sharing items and posting. I too will be documenting this and sharing the goods on several platforms. So let's get to today's video and see the pairs of shoes and the framework that I utilize. Here is a quick glimpse of the 10 pair of shoes I just removed from my closet. The idea is to take enough pictures to start posting on Poshmark and whichever other reseller tool I decide to utilize. I will also post on Instagram via carousel images as well as stories and maybe some reels. 10 pairs is the best number for me to not get overwhelmed. For those of you that don't know, I am tackling a huge endeavor. It's quite an undertaking. I have over 500 pairs of shoes. In one of my walk-in closets, there's an actual shoe wall and it must go. I simply have not worn over 90% of the shoes, and it's time for them to go to a new home where they will be loved and worn. I'm doing it bite size so that I don't get overwhelmed and I get progress. These shoes will not only be sold, but they will also serve as content. I'll share a couple of items. These are Balenciagas. I love them. These are Chloe. Some Gucci Valentino. I just love fur and I love some bling. There's about 450 pairs of shoes here that I need to get rid of. My size is a 7.5. For those of you that fit my shoes, you've hit the jackpot because I'm going to post on Poshmark, post on TikTok, as well as Instagram, and on here, share the goodies, reach out to me directly. I need to get rid of everything. It is important for you to know your personality, your temperament, and know what works best so that you can map out the best course of action to succeed. I know I can't handle clutter or chaos. I start to have analysis paralysis and I don't move. I just completely shut down. So the best way for me to actually get things done and have progress is to have some bite-sized chunks of the task. 10 is the magic number when it comes to the shoes because I have over 500 pairs. If I take 10 pairs of shoes daily, by the end of the week, that's 70 pairs of shoes, and in a month, that's 280 pairs of shoes where I have content for Instagram, TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and I can post on Poshmark and sell. The first pair are these lovely J. Crew kitten heels. The fall is right around the corner. This is a perfect pair of shoes for fall, size 7. They're brand new. I love these, but I kind of OD'd. When I love something, I just buy it in every color, and I literally have 13 pairs of this exact shoe. I've worn 2, but I only wore it once. It really is time for me to let go and let someone enjoy these shoes. They're beautiful, they're comfortable. I love the cobalt blue, a color that is in for fall and will continue to be in for 2023. It's a classic. It has a marigold as well as a Bordeaux, and it's a kitten heel. You can wear this with a dress, skirt, pretty much anything. These are a classic pair of shoes. I love them, but they need to go to a home where they will be worn. The next pair of shoes are these. I'm really thinking about keeping these. It's this gorgeous apricot peach satin star J. Crew heel. I love this shoe. I love the block heel. I love that it has a tie strap at the ankle. Do you see the stars? It's just stunning. I simply don't go anywhere and I will not be wearing this. These shoes are perfect for the upcoming holiday as well as for any upcoming event that you may have. They're luxurious, they're dressy, sexy. They also have some pizzazz with the stars, which pretty much gives them unique feel and sets them apart from an average pair of shoes. And depending on what it is that you wear, it does give blush. It doesn't only give like a coral peach color. You can definitely wear this with blush and creams and even the sage color like the dress that I am wearing. The shoes range from a size 7 to 7.5. The next pair are these lovely Kate Spade shoes. I love the gold hardware at the toe box and I love this turquoise. I too love the block heel. It's not a high heel. It does have a wide footbed, which I love because it's comfortable and easy to walk in. It also has some cushion, so it's kind of a no-brainer. Once again, these are brand new, just like the others, but these, friends, are 7.5. If any of these shoes tickle your fancy, don't forget to comment below or DM me at Naturel, or if you prefer, you can go to Stylish Bella at Poshmark. I'll be listing all of them there. The next pair of shoes are these glorious J. Crew flats, friends. These are just stunning, size 7. What I love most is how special they are without trying. They are a classic. It's a flat shoe. It has a cute little bow. It's really the sparkly silver that does it. I can wear this with jeans and elevate that basic look. I can also wear this with a dress and still elevate it because it has the sparkles. This is also perfect for the upcoming holiday season, which is not that far away when you think we are already in July. These shoes are special. They will definitely stand out at any soiree you attend. The shoe is a size 7. Again, I can't look at them too long because then I start to think that I should be keeping them and not selling them. The next pair of shoes are another pair of J. Crew flats. These are a gold flat with tassels, which is such a classic all-American look. Never wore them, brand new. These are a size 7. A lot of these shoes are from Jenna Lyons days. For those of you that don't know Jenna Lyons, she's amazing. She was the creative director and president at J. Crew. When, for me, J. Crew was at its helm. It was just vivacious, lovely colors. She introduced feather and sequins and beading and gems like no other designer. I was just smitten and enamored with her style. Anytime that there was a J. Crew sample sale or any type of show for J. Crew, I was front and center because I love the brand and I also love all of the aesthetics and the story that she really presented with her catalogs. Oh, I miss that era of J. Crew, but I'm digressing. I need to continue with the shoes. That's why I have so many of these gorgeous J. Crew shoes that you will not see at their store present day. This is paying homage to Jenna Lyons days. I do have so many. I'm keeping a handful, trust me. I just decided to get rid of the ones that I know I will not be using because I've had them for years and they're still brand new. The next pair of shoes are these glorious Sofia Webster flats. These are stunning. I never wore these, but I did love the jeweled toe box as well as this little peekaboo detail. It'll show some cleavage of your toes, which is very sexy and beautiful. The shoe is a flat. It has gold with the pink. It's just a beautiful work of art. I love the shoe, but I never wore them. It's time that they go to a home where they will be loved. These are 37.5 Sofia Webster. Once again, I will be posting on Poshmark as well as Instagram. If you want to buy direct, you can DM me at Naturel. It's just a gorgeous pair of flats. Dress this up, dress it down. The best part is this can be the piece when you want to wear a midi dress or a midi skirt, but not wear heels. You don't have to wear heels. If your flats are special like these or these, they will elevate the look, friends. That's why I have so many flats. I simply didn't get a chance to get to them. The next pair is another Kate Spade. It's in a patent leather, also the block heel similarly to the turquoise. It has a gold bow at the front. I love this shoe, but again, I didn't wear it. This particular shoe is also a 7.5. It's a little bit wider. It does have the cushion. Lovely shoe, a classic, will go with outfits for work as well as some midi dresses dresses, or if you want to do some 50s looks or 40s, it's just a quaint, divine shoe. The next shoe that I'm going to bring out is this heel. It's from Moschino. I love sparkles, I love gems, and I love things that are fun and allow me to create vivacious looks. The shoe is very flapper looking, which I love. I love things from the roaring 20s, 40s, 50s, that old feminine style where you can wear a fitted at the waist dress and then a hem that goes till about your calf. It's a very feminine cut, and shoes like this with those looks just look divine. And this particular one is gold and has this threading that's metallic. I don't know if you're able to see this. Also throughout the heel, it's simply lovely. These are a size 38. For reference, I wear a size 7.5. I have narrow feet, which is why some of the shoes happen to be a 7. The 38 simply means it's more of a true 7.5 because 38 is an Italian size. I'm pretty much batting 1,000 when it comes to the Italian sizes, a 38. I really think these are special. I know someone can get a lot of wear and great wear and mileage of these beauties. The next one that I pulled out are these glorious leather. They're patent leather and suede Zara shoes. Look at this heel. It's so beautiful. It looks like art, the design. It is a mule. I love this round metallic heel. I also love the two-tone. It's this cream with off-white in the suede, and the shoe is leather. It also has cushions, so it's comfortable. I happen to love these. I simply never wore them. These are a size 37. Last but not least are these gorgeous J. Crew sandals. I love the print. It's throughout the entire shoe. Do you guys see how lovely these shoes are? This print is simply stunning. It has blush, it has turquoise and baby blue, and this divine purple. It's also at the wedge of the shoe. I love that, friends. This buckle tie can be worn in the front or the side. This style of shoe is perfect for those summer looks that you just want to wear something simple and have the shoe be the standout piece. It's simply lovely. You can also wear this with shorts, jeans. You can wear this with pretty much anything in your closet as long as you feel it is a complementary color palette for the look. I trust you will look at what it is that you're going to wear with it, play, have fun, and make sure that these shoes stand out and elevate whatever look you're going for. I'm truly grateful for all of your comments, as well as those of you who have DM'd me and have shared interest in coming through and seeing the items. I actually sold 8 pairs of shoes to one client, and I am so ecstatic because it was a nice chunk to get rid of at once. She's delighted. I wish I had taken the time to document it. We hadn't seen each other in years. I think it was 15 years since we last saw each other. She saw me post some pictures of the Valentinos on Instagram. I'll share those images here. And she reached out and we made an appointment. It was the most fun and divine. We caught up for an hour and then she tried on shoes. It happened so fast that I forgot to document the process, but I did take 2 pictures. I'll share those pictures here. They're not great. All of these shoes were pulled out. She ended up taking 8 of them. Truly grateful. That was so much fun for me. She left with 8 pairs of shoes. She was happy. Please tag me, Shari. I want to see those shoes on you. Now I will take the photos of these shoes and start posting them on Poshmark and creating some content to share on social media platforms. I will continue doing these videos as well as tackling other sections of the closet. Aside from shoes, are there any particular items you would like me to tackle next? Would you like to see dresses, coats, jackets, accessories, bags? Let me know what is a category that you would like me to address on this endeavor of mine to eliminate as many items as possible before the end of the year. I'm documenting my journey of letting go and letting God. I have too much in my closet, and as I shared in my closet confessions video, it's gotten to the point where it's overwhelming. It's kind of owning me. I always have to move into a space that has 2 extra bedrooms for my closet, and I want to eliminate one as well as my storage closet. Let's see how far I get, friends, by the end of this year. It's a long journey. I hope you enjoyed today's video. I look forward to receiving your thoughts, your comments, your feedback. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and give the video a thumbs up. Share it with some friends and family. Thank you for joining me. I'll see you next time. Toodles.